Hey guys, what's up? Chip here. I want to welcome you to the show. I want to apologize because I haven't really done a lot of videos. I haven't done a lot of updates or podcasts. I know people have been bugging me. There's thousands of people out there. I just can't get to all the DMs. But I really want to thank you guys for all your support. And it's been a really interesting year. And I just want to do a quick video and post this to your attention because I want to do a little bit of maths here because I know there's a lot of stuff happening in the world. There's a lot of, really interesting things happening, and it's a very interesting time to be alive. I really think that if you are obviously breathing and a human right now, some people don't realize that you're living through one of the biggest historical movements that the world has ever seen. However, some people do tell me, there's nothing happening. It's all crap. It's just nonsense. Can you stop going on about all this stuff and blah blah blah. So what I wanted to do today, because I always like to tell you stuff, but you guys know me now. You guys know my style, and I always like to back up my thoughts and everything I'm talking about with actual proof. So what I want to show you today is real solid proof of what is happening in the world. You are in what's called the Great Awakening. There's a lot of people waking up to what is going on, the scam they are living in, the prison planet. I don't care what you call it. Basically, from birth, you guys have been scammed. And there's a lot of people in the stock market right now that are getting scammed. And I've been talking about this for a long time now, guys. I haven't been down here. This isn't the first time I've been here. This is not a one trick pony rodeo. But look at this. You can say this Lizzo music. You got a big fat African American. It's just sad. It's like a train wreck, guys. You just can't look away, right? This big train wreck lady, Lizzo. She's talking about, am I ready to be loved? I want to get married, but I don't. Blah blah blah. Well, this music, so-called Hollywood music, or it's the mainstream music. I can't stand it myself, but that's just me. Look, but if you have a look here, this is the proof. This is Lizzo, To Be Loved. Now, this video has been uploaded to YouTube more than a year ago. It's a very reputable, big company, Lizzo Music. You're talking about multi-million dollars. But then if you come over here, this is interesting, guys. This is a small guy. He went on a small-time radio show. In 2 weeks, guys, this has got just as many views, 33 million views. This is what I'm talking about, guys. This, he's got a red hair, this beard. He looks like a really nice guy. He's got a very, solid, different voice. It's a very nice voice. He's talking about rich men north of Richmond. He's basically, if you go to his channel, he talks about his mental health struggles. He's got a job in a factory and he's not earning much money, and he's sort of like questioning, well, what am I doing? Why am I doing this? And how am I doing this? And he's shouting out, screaming to other people, like, are you guys feeling the same way I'm feeling? Like, this is a struggle. Are you guys struggling? And you should see the comments. Like, if you go into the music here, I won't play the music. I'll let you listen to it. What you do. But all these comments, guys, from people all around the world, they're basically telling you, man, look, this is ridiculous, and I'm in trouble, and I'm suicidal, and I've been working. So the point here is, this people, my friends, this is waking people up. Richmond, north of Richmond. Basically, since birth, people are waking up. People are catching on to the scam in Wall Street. Tax is a scam. People are sick of it. People are really struggling with their wages. They can't keep up. They can't pay their mortgage, which the mortgage is another scam. And it just goes on and on. People are really getting sick of it, and people are starting to wake up. So my point here is, look at these 1.4 million likes. Okay, guys. So in 2 weeks, this little unknown guy has just blown up the internet, and it's got as many views as that fat African American Lizzo, or I don't care what she's called, Fizzo, Bizzo, Jizzo, I don't know. And he's basically got the same amount of views in 2 weeks. So this is not just telling you people are waking up. This is a proof that people are really starting to question things. You can go into that YouTube site, and you can listen to it. It's a nice song. He does it quite well. He's very simple. As you can see, it's just a small podcast sort of microphone. He's pretty handy on the guitar. And it really is, you are in an age of awakening. People are starting to wake up. And I can't wait till there's going to be more people waking up because of the stock market scam. And I've been talking about it for years. And, we have, you're looking and staring down the barrel at a 1929 stock market crash event. And I mean, that's only going to wake up more and more people. These people on Wall Street, they're in for a big shock. I would say Wall Street's in for a big shock, and people just need to understand. A lot of people are waking up, a lot of people are getting it, a lot of people are struggling, and people are being exposed. You talk about Jeffrey Epstein and all these idiots and all these pedophiles and all the rest. I don't care if this YouTube gets deleted on YouTube, because we keep getting a lot of our stuff deleted on YouTube. I don't really give a shit, but that's just me. I'm here to help, and we're in the biggest waking up of humanity the world has ever seen, because you're living a lie, even if you believe that or not. It's happened since your birth, and you need to just get a hold of it, get over it, and we need to unite and become as one to help other people wake up and to improve the world. That's why we're here. Thanks for listening. Have a great day. Hope this helped, and talk to you all very soon. Okay, bye.